It's crazy. You get by the window, it feels like a hurricane.
I can feel it from here.
From here, yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHighCarAudio, and others. Loading off of that door is brutal windy. I'm keeping the pressure in. Wow. Structural damage. Nice.
That's 20 hertz. It's tuned to 16 hertz and 16 and 40 is the tuning on that box. And there's 414 amp hours of LTO.
This is 440 right here?
Yeah, 414 total. This is 240, I believe, and this is 144.
Okay.
Planano and Yinlong.
Yeah.
And then I'm running a base 30K.
Yep.
Single. I had to before I ended up 111.
Yeah.
It's only about a half dB louder with the second one.
Wow.
You know,
That's not open it. Yeah, don't open it. Yeah. So this helps you load, keep the door from breaking and flexing.
Right.
Yeah.
I ended up throwing in. I would probably ruin these doors in one weekend.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I just put steel on the doors. There's like 4-inch steel. There's
Wow, that's solid.
Yeah.
That don't move. And the window still goes down and up.
Yep.
Nice. Awesome. Windy. Thank you for showing me. Wow.
We got a 320 CES and a 390 JS.
Yeah.
Easy. Thank you.
It's crazy. You get by the window, it feels like a hurricane.
I can feel it from here.
From here, yeah. Yeah.
I was just over by Galen's truck, like, oh my God.
Yeah.
And I'm just playing, Diddy. You know I love you.
So what subs are those?
They are PSI Platform 518.
Okay. Are those 3500 or 4K RMS?
They're 4500.
4500. Okay.
Yeah. 8-layer, 4-inch, 8-layer coil.
Nice. Yep. 20 hertz, right? Something like that. It's 20 hertz. Yep. All right.
I'm really sorry you want me to have a heart attack. Just watching me while I'm on a track. Realized I forgot to call you back. Here's that autograph for your daughter. I wrote it on the starter cap. And I had 3 albums and it blew. Now let's talk about something I don't really do. Going someone's daughter's mouth stealing food. But you're a fucking molehill. Now I'ma make a mountain out of you. Are you eating cereal or oatmeal? What the fuck's in the bowl, Mill? Wheaties or Cheerios? Cause I'm taking a shit in them, Kelly. I need reading material. Dictionary. O2 to burn it in front of you, ho. Younger me, no, you whack me. It's funny, but so true. I'd rather be 80-year-old me than 20-year-old you. slim.